Good morning, children. So we have completed up to vegetative propagation. Now today we will start new topic, that is agriculture. Now agriculture refers to the applied science that deals with the mass production of plants which are useful for human beings. It means agriculture is a science in which large amount of plant products are produced according to human needs. So you can say in agriculture crops are produced. So what are crops? So plants of same kind grown on a large scale at a particular place during a particular time are called a crop. For example, a crop of wheat means all plants grown in the field are of wheat. Similarly, there are different types of crop like food grains, pulses, tea, coffee, rubber, fruit, vegetables and so on. So to harvest a good crop, farmers follow some important agricultural practices. Now one by one we will see that. First one is selecting the type of soil. So different seeds grow well in different types of soil. So that's why right type of soil is also required. For example, wheat grows well in alluvial soil and cotton and sugarcane in black soil. Second step is selecting good quality seeds. So use of good quality and healthy seeds ensure the good and healthy crop. Third step is preparing the soil. So the soil must be loosened and turned up and down. So this process is known as ploughing. Okay, you can see here ploughing of the field. So for this, land must be ploughed properly using bullock cart or tractors. Fourth step is adding manures and fertilizers. You all know what are manures. Manures are the organic substances that are obtained from the decaying of dead plants and animal waste by the action of decomposers. These manures are very fertile and nutritive for the plants. So manures and fertilizers are added. Next, fifth step is sowing the seed at the right time. Okay, so it can be done by both ways, either by manually or by the help of machine, and that machine is known as seed drill. Next step is irrigation. Irrigation, you know what is the meaning of irrigation? Supplying water to the plant. Next step is protection of the crops from pest. You can see what are these? These are pests. What are pests? So pest can be any insect or worm or other animals. It can be rat also that damages the crop. So for this, use of pesticides and insecticides are required. So they should be used carefully because excess use of chemicals can harm our health also. So crops should be protected from grazing by animals and birds. This can be achieved by building proper fences and using scarecrow. You would have seen many times scarecrows are also there. Next step is harvesting the crops. So the fully grown crops should be cut manually also, or it can be done by machine. This machine is known as harvester. So this process of cutting crops are known as harvesting. So it can be done manually also or by harvester machine. Next step is storage. So the harvested crops should be stored in a clean, dry and properly ventilated place. They may also be stored in clean, airtight containers. So these are the various stages of agriculture. Okay, thank you.